Once upon a time, in a small village, lived a peculiar old man named Alastor Mad-Eye Moody. He had a hook for a hand, a twitchy eye that darted about, and a strange scar on his face. But don't be afraid. Mad-Eye was known for his bravery and magic. One night, as the moon shone brightly, Mad-Eye stood outside his cottage, gazing at the stars. Suddenly, a soft, shimmering light appeared in the sky. It was a magical object. Mad-Eye quickly grabbed his wand and followed the light. He walked through the forest, his twitchy eye scanning every shadow. He came across a clearing where the light was the brightest. There, he found a small, trembling rabbit, trapped in a magical cage. "Oh dear," said Mad-Eye, "you're in trouble, little one. But don't worry, I'm here to help." With a swift wave of his wand, he released the rabbit from its cage. The rabbit hopped away, grateful for Mad-Eye's help. "Thank you, Mad-Eye," a voice echoed softly. Mad-Eye turned around to find the source of the voice. To his surprise, it was the magical object from the sky. It took the form of an old woman. "I'm the guardian of the magical creatures," she explained. "I was testing the bravery of the villagers." "You passed with flying colors, Mad-Eye Moody." Mad-Eye smiled, proud of his achievement. "I'm always ready to help those in need," he said. From that day forward, Mad-Eye became known as the protector of the village, helping any creature in trouble. And so, the night ended, with Mad-Eye returning home, tired but happy. As he climbed into bed, he thought about the adventures that awaited him the next day. Good night, little ones. Remember, always be brave like Mad-Eye Moody.